see our goal is eliminating disposable plastics. Plastics are actually pretty amazing. I think there are some good uses for plastics, but it's in single-use applications where they get disaggregated. They end up at a lot of different consumers, and you're faced with the task of trying to collect them, trying to recycle them, that they really don't make any sense. So one way to solve this is to make plastics that fit into our natural... People have been trying to make bioplastics. So wait, why don't we just do a feasibility test? Because you know what, I would like to demand that our electronics in 20 years will be compostable. And I said, well, if I just look around throughout the ecology, can I find examples of all the functionality of an iPhone or a computer? Has nature actually already invented all the products and processes we need to make a compostable iPhone? And I kind of went through them, and as I did this, I realized, you know what, this is actually a lot easier than I thought.
So also for the packaging, we needed to find a solution. And then we looked at the alternatives, and a renewable feedstock to start from was a key. So we took that bio-based sourcing as a key starting point, and then we went to scout, let's say, for...
Most of the markets and products you'll see in that lookbook, composting is irrelevant and frustrating to us that because it's such a wonderful idea that products simply disappear. So let's talk about those recycle options. Mechanical recycle is an option we're working pretty hard. Bring to the table is a new option. I call it feedstock recovery, or the technology folks would probably call it chemical recycle. And let me tell you, this isn't hypothetical. We've done it since we started up our own plant waste, much as we don't like to make it. We're beginning to do this in the market. A couple of case studies. Our illustrious president sitting on a carpet that's 100% NGO. Typically, after a conference like this, the carpet is rolled up, landfilled. Here it was rolled up, taken back to a lactic acid producer.
And we know about the high value. So the green line relates to relative values, and these change all the time, but you get an idea that the plastics are more closer related to aluminum in value than they are to steel or paper. But yet their recycle rate is incredibly low. So again, the question, why aren't they more recycled?